Securing a high score on Step 3 is crucial for any US medical residency applicant aiming to stand out. It serves as a tangible demonstration of your overall medical proficiency to program directors, giving PDs an applicable idea of the skill set and knowledge you can bring to their program. As the residency cycle grows more and more competitive each year, this is what will set you apart. At Residency Medical, we specialize in unique one-on-one plus live online courses so you can get individual and group holistic learning. Gain personalized one-on-one tutoring from our MD experts who can cater to your studying and testing needs. We have also leveraged AI to help you improve your study habits. And luckily for you, we are having a May special. Gain access to this robust approach for a limited time at a reduced price. We don't just offer USMLE Step 3 tutoring services. Our education services are comprehensive, covering the ITE, medical Spanish lessons, and speech pathology as well. At Residency Medical, we have the personalized tutoring you need to succeed. Ready to take the next step? Don't hesitate. Book your evaluation today.